Hello students, we are going to look at how to use a spreadsheet, in this case Excel, to help you calculate the mean, average, percentage error. So remember this data table again that we have used in the course of this project before. And here is the years from 1900 and population size. Don't forget that because of the German notation, then point and comma might actually be swapped. So here, this comma shows actually decimal point. And our formula that we got before using basic exponential equation was 472 times 1.011 as decimals here, power x. So we will type that formula on Excel. And here in this column, we will put our model's prediction. So we will type the formula on the cell, and to do a formula on Excel, we always start with an equal sign, and we will type 472 times. Here I have to be careful, it's 1.011, but I'll type 1,011. This is my German Excel notation, so you might have to be careful there whether to use point or comma, but don't get confused. So, and then power x. So in this case, x value is just the years from 1900. So whatever the value is that you have in the data table. So in this case, I'm going to click this cell because I'm using this data value here on cell C3. So here it says C3 and then I press enter and that's it. And the nice thing is with Excel, once the formula is filled in, now you can just copy everything down. So remember again that black plus sign at the bottom right corner. And if you click your mouse pad and just drag down, everything else is already filled in for you. So if you don't want that many decimal places, you can always reduce the decimal place. So here by clicking there, you can reduce it to what you like, 1 or 2 decimal places. Okay? All right, so now on the next column, we will look at the difference between our prediction and the real data that we have collected. So this is the population size according to your formula, and here was the real data. So we will calculate the difference. So with Excel, it's equal the model prediction on cell E3 subtracted by the real value, the data that we have collected, plus, and then press enter. That's it. And if you copy it down again, that's what we have. Now, on this next column, we will find out the absolute value. Okay, and the formula on Excel is just ABS for absolute. And then just click that cell, close bracket, press enter, and if you drag and copy it down, so then you see that everything is now in positive value. So I'm going to reduce the decimal places again. So now the only thing we need will be this column here, the absolute value and the real population size in thousands. I'm just going to give it a shaded color so then we know that we are talking about those two columns. So the next column, we are going to calculate the absolute percentage error. And remember that the formula was just the absolute error and over the real data value and multiplied by 100 in percentage unit. And if you copy it down and decrease the decimals, then you have all that you need. The only last step that we have to do is to calculate the mean of this absolute percentage error for every single data value. And we are going to just put it underneath. So the way to calculate mean on Excel, the command is average. So we are going to take the average of the whole column here. So close bracket, press enter, and this is actually the value of the mean average percentage error. So try this with your own data and the model that you have developed. Good luck!